Welcome to Ukrainian Style Dolls. Let's look further and work together. Hello everyone! Every nation forms its own traditions for centuries. Marriage has the most rites and costumes. A new family begins with getting to know the families of the bride and groom. Today, young people meet mostly on social networks. Kindred hearts unite without any mediation. This wasn't always the case. The matchmaking in Ukraine at the beginning of the last century was formed into an exciting action, a performance with the bright characters. One of these characters I offer to your attention. To make this happen, I invite you to the northwestern region of Ukraine, to Volyn. The beautiful nature of this region, its comfortable climate, attracts many visitors. Anyone whose soul asks for rest near a picturesque lake among the life-giving forest goes to Volyn. The famous Shatsky lakes, Lake Svides, are shrouded in many legends. People of this region composed many fairy tales and songs to accompany by all those rites. And now let's get acquainted with the matchmaker from the Volyn village. Her name is Parasia. This name Paraskeva originated from Greek and means Friday, the eve of the holiday, or waiting. The Parasia doll is dressed in the ceremonial costume of the matchmaker. A matchmaker is a mediator between two families who intend to marry their children. Not every woman can become a successful matchmaker. She must have the skills of both a diplomat and a psychologist. She must know the rules of each rite while being able to speak accurately without neglecting flattery. This is an experienced woman of respectable age. Our Parasia is around 50 years old. The matchmaker is the first to appear in the girl's house for scouting, and then the guy, having received a positive hint from her, with the permission of his parents, sends a team of elders. The elders carry bread in a towel and many different delicacies. They are accompanied by the matchmaker. If the stage of the first acquaintance is successful, the bride's father takes the bread from the elders, and the girl ties them with embroidered towels and gives a veil to the young man as a sign of consent. I must say that in case of categorical disagreement, the unsuccessful groom is given a pumpkin, and the matchmaker, after such a courtship, is unlikely to be called by other families to perform the rites, because it shows her unprofessionalism. My Parasia is far from that. The whole ceremony is accompanied by jokes and songs. Parents gather at the table to agree on the second stage of courtship, inspection. Inspections take place in the estate of the young man, because after the wedding, the husband must bring the young wife to his house or to his parents' house. The girl's family must know the conditions of the transfer and in whose hands she will hand over her rich dowry. And here you cannot do without a matchmaker, without her ability to speak well, persuade and negotiate. By agreement comes the third stage of courtship, engagement. In the bride's house, the parents bless the newlyweds and set a date for the wedding. The matchmaker is presented with valuable gifts for her work. During the wedding, She looks closely at the young girls who show their preferences for the chosen guys. And soon she will make a plan for a new matchmaking. The work of the matchmaker is repeated, and in this cycle there is no end. This is happiness. I hope for a new meeting with you in Ukraine. Goodbye.